Emerging markets are incredibly exciting and full of potential. They offer big potential for investors looking for high returns. Think of them as young companies, ready to grow fast and innovate. Developed markets are like older companies. They've grown a lot, but now they are slowing down and becoming more stable. Emerging markets are different. They have young populations, growing economies, and a hunger for progress. This means more people are buying things like cars, phones, and houses, driving economic growth. Investing in emerging markets can be like finding a gold mine, full of untapped potential. You get in early and watch your investments grow exponentially over time. But remember, investing always has risks, and it's important to be cautious. Do your research, understand the market, and invest wisely to mitigate risks. This essay will highlight some exciting opportunities in emerging markets that you should consider. Specifically, we'll look at India, Brazil, and Southeast Asia, regions with immense potential. Get ready for an exciting journey into the world's next big investment hotspots. Stay tuned. India is a powerful engine for growth. With a young and growing population, India is experiencing a surge in consumer demand. More people are buying goods and services, driving economic expansion. India is becoming a global hub for technology and innovation. Indian companies are making their mark on the world stage. From software to pharmaceuticals, India is a force to be reckoned with. Investing in India offers a chance to be part of this incredible growth story. As India continues to develop, the potential for investors is enormous. Let's look at some Indian companies that are leading the way. Reliance Industries is a giant in the Indian economy. It's a conglomerate with businesses in oil, gas, telecom, and retail. Reliance is like the backbone of India, providing essential products and services. Reliance is known for its strong leadership and ambitious growth plans. The company is constantly innovating and expanding into new areas. This makes Reliance a compelling investment opportunity. Reliance is well positioned to benefit from India's rising middle class. As more Indians enter the consumer market, Reliance is there to meet their needs. With its diverse portfolio and strong track record, Reliance is a company to watch in the Indian market. Tata Motors is another Indian giant, known for its iconic cars and trucks. Tata is a global player in the automotive industry, with a strong presence in both domestic and international markets. Tata is known for its affordable and reliable vehicles. They are popular in India and other emerging markets. As demand for cars grows in these regions, Tata is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Tata is also investing heavily in electric vehicles. This is a smart move as the world transitions to cleaner transportation. With its focus on innovation and sustainability, Tata Motors is a company with a bright future. Section 5. Infosys, the tech powerhouse. Infosys is a global leader in information technology. It provides software services, consulting, and outsourcing solutions to businesses worldwide. Infosys is a symbol of India's rise as a tech powerhouse. Known for its skilled workforce and innovative solutions, the company helps businesses to digitize their operations and become more efficient. As the world becomes increasingly digital, Infosys is well positioned for continued growth. Infosys is a solid investment for those looking to tap into the global tech boom. With its strong track record and global reach, Infosys is a company that can deliver long-term value for investors. Section 6. Brazil's untapped potential. Brazil is another emerging market with enormous potential. This South American giant is often overlooked, but it holds a wealth of opportunities for those who are willing to explore. It's rich in natural resources and has a growing consumer market. From its vast mineral deposits to its fertile agricultural lands, Brazil is a treasure trove waiting to be tapped. Brazil is home to some of the world's largest companies in sectors like mining, energy, and agriculture. These industries form the backbone of its economy, driving growth and innovation. Brazil has faced economic challenges in recent years, but the country is on the path to recovery. Economic reforms and strategic investments are paving the way for a brighter future. As Brazil's economy stabilizes and grows, investors have a chance to get in on the ground floor. The potential for high returns is significant for those who act now. Brazil is a land of opportunity for investors willing to take a long-term view. The country's diverse economy offers numerous avenues for growth and expansion. With its vast resources and growing economy, Brazil is a market that should not be ignored. The future looks promising for those ready to invest in this dynamic and vibrant nation. Section 7. Vale, digging deep for value. Vale is a global mining giant based in Brazil. It's one of the world's largest producers of iron ore, a key ingredient in steelmaking. Vale also mines nickel, copper, and other minerals. Vale benefits from the growing demand for raw materials. As China and other developing countries continue to industrialize, the demand for iron ore and other commodities will remain strong. Vale is a cyclical company, meaning its fortunes are tied to the global economic cycle. However, with its low-cost production and strong market position, Vale is well positioned to weather economic ups and downs. Section 8. Seizing the opportunity. Emerging markets offer investors a chance to be part of the next wave of global growth. These markets are often characterized by rapid industrialization and urbanization, which can lead to significant economic expansion. While investing in these markets carries risks, the potential rewards are significant. Volatility can be high, but with careful planning and strategy, the benefits can outweigh the risks. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires endurance, patience, and a long-term perspective to truly reap the benefits. Do your research, choose companies with strong fundamentals, and be patient. Look for firms with solid management teams and a clear vision for growth. By investing in companies like Reliance, Tata Motors, Infosys, and Vale, you can gain exposure to the exciting growth stories unfolding in India and Brazil. These companies are leaders in their respective industries and have shown consistent performance. Emerging markets are full of opportunities for those who dare to explore them. The potential for high returns is there for those willing to take the plunge. So start your research today and discover the potential of these dynamic markets. With the right approach, you can be part of the next big wave of global economic growth.